So I'm going to give an update on health sharing ministries or health sharing programs. We talk about them often on our podcast, and I wanted to give a short little video to talk about the benefits of them and how to find out more about them. So what are health sharing ministries? What are health sharing programs? They have been around for over 30 years now, and basically what they are is they are a program where members pay a set amount per month into a pool of money, and if somebody gets sick or somebody gets hurt, that pool of money pays for them. It's really a lot like insurance. Here's the benefit that it has over traditional healthcare insurance. Traditional healthcare insurance, there is no such thing as private healthcare insurance anymore. Whether it's employer paid, whether it's government paid, it is so heavily regulated by the federal government, it's all public insurance. It is all government insurance. So the government says what's covered, at what price, and where you can go. The great thing about these health sharing programs is it liberates you away from these health insurance networks. You get to choose your doctor, you get to choose your hospital, you get to choose all of those things. So it liberates you. So you get to base your choices on price, quality, and service. With traditional health care insurance, you don't get to do that. They tell you where to go. And that's one of the reasons it's so expensive and the service is so bad. There are more and more of them all the time. When I first started this back in 2018, writing my book and talking about health sharing, there were like 4 or 5 of them. The big ones were Samaritan Ministries, MediShare, Liberty Share, and Christian Healthcare. And then New Health came out, and that was the first I know of the non-faith-based ones. One of the disadvantages of it 4 or 5 years ago was that people said, well, what if I don't have a faith? What if I don't have a statement of faith? I want to be able to do something that is not faith-based. So that's when New Health came out. And there are 10 of them now, at least 10 of them. I just looked at a list, and they listed out 10 of them. I saw a few of them missing from that list, which means this. There is no all-inclusive list. You'll have to go find them yourself. So Google health sharing ministries or health sharing programs, and you'll find a whole lot about them. And all of them have a little bit different benefit. So you can get ones with different costs. You can get ones with different programs. Some of them will have different tiers that you can sign up for. I know Christian Healthcare, they have 3 different tiers. We are in the bronze tier because we don't need a lot of healthcare, so we want the cheapest plan that we can get. And some of them do require faith-based statements, some of them do not. So some of them pay the provider directly, some of them do not. I prefer the ones that the individuals pay up front and then they get reimbursed. It's the way to get the best quality at the best price and the best service. So that's what I like. So be liberated. Look up health sharing ministries, health sharing programs, and decide which one is best for you. We will provide a link of the top 10 ones in this video. Have in mind that that is not all inclusive. There are other ones out there. Specifically, I know that MediShare has been missing from that link. So there's a lot of programs and options out there now. Thank you for listening.